Greetings. Code without proper formatting and indentation can be difficult to read, understand, and maintain. However, properly formatted and indented code can significantly improve code readability and maintainability. By using the built-in HTML source editing tool in Visual Studio, you can easily format code files of C#, Python, C++, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. To access the formatting options, right-click the toolbar and select HTML Source Editing Tool. Repeat the process for different types of files. If the formatting option is not visible when you right-click, you can find it by clicking Customize. Select the file or piece of code you want to format, then click the formatting icon on the toolbar. This will instantly format and indent the code. The shortcut key to format the code is to keep the Control key pressed, press K, then D. Moreover, go to the Tools menu and select Options. Click Text Editor from the right. Ensure Drag and Drop Text Editing is selected. Under the Text Editor, click Advanced. Ensure Automatic is selected for text formatting and rendering methods. These settings will enable automatic refactoring in the code. Subscribe for more videos like this.